African Safari Outfit Tips. Minsan nakala natin keme lang yung mga suot ng mga naga-safari, pero may purpose talaga siya. First, it's better to wear pants and long sleeves para protected yung skin mo. Unlike my OOTD here, nakita pa chan, so I sprayed mosquito repellent all over my chan. You also have to be conscious sa color ng outfit mo. Dapat earth tones like army green, brown, beige. Just like my outfit here, nagblend ako sa background. You can scare away the animals kasi if the color of your outfit is too loud. Not advisable mag-wear ng white kasi madali siya madumihan because of the dust. And don't wear black kasi it attracts cheche flies daw. Masakit mga gat yun. Actually, at first, nag-wig pa ako kasi yung hair ko super pink siya and loud yung color. Eventually, sabi ng guide, okay lang, it's a small part and di naman siya makikita gan ng animals kasi nasa loob kami ng jeep. Next, check out the weather pagpunta ninyo kasi pagpunta namin, sobrang lamig. Kaya giniginawa ko sa outfit na to. Pero may dala naman kami mga jacket kasi na-expect namin yung cold weather. Finally, wear boots para protected din yung feet mo. Yung iba mas prefer nila sandals or clogs para daw madaling tanggalin if ever we need to go up sa seat and tumingin dun sa mga animals. It is actually up to you. Our group prefer boots para protected yung feet namin. That's it! Let me know if you have any outfit questions for an African safari. Enjoy!